Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to increase crochet stitches. Start with the fundamental single crochet increase. This involves working 2 single crochet stitches into the same stitch from the previous row. This simple method effectively adds 1 stitch to your row, expanding your fabric. Maintaining consistent tension is key for a smooth, even result. We'll guide you through each step to ensure your increases are neat and virtually invisible. Now, let's move on to increasing with double crochet stitches. Similar to single crochet, you'll work 2 double crochet stitches into a single stitch from the row below. This technique creates a more noticeable increase, perfect for projects that need to expand quickly, like blankets or garments. It's a versatile skill for many patterns, helping you shape your work efficiently. For a seamless look, try invisible increases. One popular method involves working into the back loop only of the stitch below, then into the front loop of the same stitch. This minimizes gaps and creates a smoother transition. Understanding where to place your increases is crucial for shaping your crochet pieces, whether it's for a hat, a sweater, or any other project requiring specific contours. To avoid common pitfalls, always ensure you're inserting your hook into the correct part of the stitch to prevent unwanted holes. Also, consistently counting your stitches after each increase row is vital to maintain your pattern's shape and size. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Mastering these tips will elevate your crochet projects and ensure beautiful, consistent results every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.